All right, we have Brandon Sharper, our product concierge. He's going to teach us how to pair our Bluetooth today. Brandon, are you ready?
Yes, good morning. So we're going to go over pairing Bluetooth on the 2018 GLC 300. This will be the same process from the 2016, the 17, and the 18. So the first thing that you have to do is on your phone, just go to your settings and select Bluetooth and just have that screen visible. Now on your command wheel, just hit your media, which is your hard key. So once you push media, use your command wheel, just pull it towards the back seat and select connect device. And then select connect device one more time. And then connect via vehicle. So just 3 steps that the screen is going to prompt you to do. Once the vehicle is searching, your name will show up that's on your phone. You just scroll down and select that. With the newer cars, they have to connect as a new main phone or connect as a Bluetooth audio. You're going to connect new main phone if you are the main driver of the vehicle. Once that code matches what's on your phone, just select OK from your phone and allow contacts to sync. And just that easy, your phone is now connected.